Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Imagine having a personal assistant who knows exactly what you need, when you need it, whether it's managing your schedule, reminding you of important tasks, or even helping you learn something new. Sounds amazing, right? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to create your very own personalized AI assistant using free or affordable tools. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's talk about why you'd want a personalized AI assistant. Think about it, our lives are busier than ever, and having a tool that can help you stay organized, save time, and even make decisions can be a game changer. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to create one. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Define your assistant's role. Ask yourself, what do you need help with the most? Is it managing your schedule, tracking your fitness goals, helping with work tasks, or even controlling your smart home devices? Your assistant's purpose will guide everything else, so take some time to think about it. Step 2. Choose your platform. There are several tools you can use to build your AI assistant. Here are a few options. ChatGPT. Use it as a conversational assistant for tasks like drafting emails, generating ideas, or answering questions. Zapier. Automate workflows between apps, like sending reminders or syncing data. IFTTT. Create applets to connect your devices and services. Google Assistant or Alexa. Customize these existing assistants with routines and skills. Step 3. Set up core features. Depending on your assistant's role, here's what you can do. Task management. Use tools like Todoist or Notion to create to-do lists and set reminders. Calendar integration. Sync your Google Calendar or Outlook to manage appointments. Smart home control. Connect your assistant to smart devices like lights, thermostats, or speakers. Learning and research. Use ChatGPT or Bard to answer questions or help you learn new topics. Step 4. Customize your assistant. This is where you make it truly yours. Give your assistant a name, a voice, and even a personality. For example, you can use tools like ElevenLabs to create a custom voice or Character.AI to give your assistant a unique conversational style. Step 5. Automate your daily tasks. Use platforms like Zapier or IFTTT to create workflows that save you time. For example, automatically send you a weather update every morning. Sync your fitness tracker data to a spreadsheet. Send you a reminder to drink water every hour. The possibilities are endless. Step 6. Test and refine your assistant. Start using it in your daily life and see what works and what doesn't. Adjust settings, add new features, or remove ones you don't need. The goal is to make your assistant as helpful and seamless as possible. Here are some bonus tips to take your AI assistant to the next level. Use natural language processing tools like ChatGPT to make conversations feel more human. Integrate voice commands using Google Assistant or Alexa for hands-free control. Regularly update your assistant with new skills or automations. Have fun and make it uniquely yours. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to creating a personalized AI assistant for your daily life. With these tools, you can build an assistant that's tailored to your needs and makes your life easier. If you try it out, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your creations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.